Big weekend of racing, not the Cox Plate, but the Mount Annan Cup. Not horses, but snails. It takes place on Sunday at Tim's Garden Centre at Mount Annan. Tim is Tim Pickles. Good morning.
Alan, how you doing there?
Your man.
Thank you.
It's become a fixture on the racing calendar.
Alan, we've been having the biggest snail in Australia for 10 years to raise money for Campbelltown's, the Children's Ward at Campbelltown Hospital.
Yeah.
And we've had the prettiest snail, the snail with the best personality. But this year we're having snail racing.
Yeah, got a big day of racing. And the big one at 3 o'clock on Sunday with the running of the cup.
That's right. Well, the warm-up event started at 10 o'clock. So to get in the final, to get in the main event, people have got to win a warm-up event.
And what sort of distance do the snails race over?
7 centimetres. If we thought it was any longer than that, we thought we might be there all day. They're known for their speed.
And what do the owners do?
Well, they stand there and cheer them, hopefully. Let us leave around the outside to try and encourage them.
And how long does it take a snail to run 7 centimetres?
Well, not long, hopefully. I've actually done much testing on this, Alan.
What's the secret to having a good racing snail?
A wet track. I love a wet track.
And you get the big ones, do you?
We're going to weigh them. The biggest we've ever got is 19.2 grams, which was about for 50 cents. And that was found at a public school, walking across one of the paths, probably on the way to the canteen by the side.
All sponsored by Yates Blitzen.
Yates have been absolutely wonderful to us. It costs $5 to enter your snail in the competition, and for that you'll get $10 worth of Yates gardening products. So that's the best $5 you'll ever spend, and the donation obviously.
News.